Welcome back to Home's Inspiration Studios. Today, we're diving into a space that's becoming increasingly popular in modern homes. The laundry mudroom combo and tips for decorating laundry room with modern styles. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Before we explore all the amazing design possibilities, let's break down what this concept is all about. A modern laundry mudroom combo is essentially a two-in-one room that combines the functionality of a laundry room with the organizational savvy of a mudroom. This creates a dedicated space for tackling laundry chores while also providing a designated zone for shoes, coats, bags, and anything else you bring in from the outside world. Now, traditional laundry rooms and mudrooms can often be cluttered, cramped, and lack that certain design flair. This is where the modern aspect comes in. Modern laundry mudroom combos embrace clean lines, minimalist aesthetics, and clever storage solutions to create a space that's both beautiful and incredibly efficient. However, even with the best intentions, some challenges can arise when designing these combo rooms. It can be tricky to strike a balance between laundry functionality with mudroom organization and ensuring the space feels cohesive and stylish. Additionally, limited square footage can make it difficult to incorporate all the features you desire. But fear not, the benefits of a modern laundry mudroom combo far outweigh these challenges. Let's explore why this might be the perfect solution for your home. Here are some of the benefits of a modern laundry mudroom combo design. First, enhanced organization. Say goodbye to scattered shoes, jackets, and laundry baskets. This combo design provides a dedicated space for everything, keeping your entryway and living areas clutter-free. Second, increased efficiency. Streamline your laundry routine. Having the laundry facilities readily accessible from the mudroom allows for effortless handling of dirty clothes as soon as you come home. Third, improved traffic flow. A well-designed laundry mudroom combo can act as a buffer zone, preventing dirt and clutter from tracking deeper into your house. Fourth, boosted functionality. Modern designs often incorporate smart storage solutions like hooks, cubbies, and built-in cabinets, maximizing the space's utility. Fifth, elevated aesthetics. This combo allows you to create a visually appealing entryway that sets the tone for your entire home. And here are the compilation of top 10 decorating ideas for a modern laundry mudroom combo ideas. 1. Embrace clean lines and built-in storage. Opt for sleek cabinetry with flat panel doors and hidden hardware. Utilize vertical space with floor-to-ceiling cabinets for maximum storage. 2. Lighten up with white or neutrals. A bright color palette creates a sense of spaciousness and allows pops of personality to shine through with artwork or accessories. 3. Define separate zones. Visually distinct areas for laundry and mudroom functions improve organization. Consider a half wall, contrasting floor tiles, or strategic lighting placement. 4. Incorporate natural light. Large windows or a skylight can work wonders. Natural light brightens the space and creates a more inviting atmosphere. 5. Don't forget the floor. Opt for durable and easy-to-clean flooring like porcelain tile or luxury vinyl plank. Consider a patterned runner rug for a touch of warmth and personality. 6. Maximize counter space. A dedicated countertop provides a convenient surface for folding laundry, sorting items, or displaying decorative accents. 7. Embrace multifunctional furniture. A built-in bench with cubbies underneath offers seating and storage for shoes and bags. 8. Hang hooks for easy access. Wall hooks are perfect for hanging coats, bags, backpacks, or even drying delicates. Choose sleek, modern styles that complement your overall design. 9. Add a drying rack. A retractable drying rack provides a convenient spot for air-drying clothes, saving energy and space. 10. Accessorize with personality. Woven baskets, stylish laundry hampers, and framed artwork can personalize your space without sacrificing the modern aesthetic. A modern laundry mudroom combo offers a stylish and functional solution for busy households. By incorporating these design tips, you can create a space that not only improves your laundry routine and organization, but also adds a touch of modern flair to your home. So, unleash your inner designer and create a laundry mudroom combo that reflects your unique style and keeps your home looking effortlessly chic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring home design ideas. Let us know in the comments below what your dream laundry mudroom combo would include. After this, we will provide you gallery of best modern laundry mudroom combo design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.